photo on Reno. Dami malay. Soy por acá. Kita por acá, sakit. Kita sakit.
Look over here. They
coming
starting
down.
downtown. See the sparkle?
Yeah.
It's coming this way.
I told you they was gearing up. They was gearing up.
This is gonna be the last one.
They're gearing up.
Now they started.
That's not the ballpark. That's downtown.
That's downtown.
Yeah, that's like
Then it's gonna come over here by the trees,
Yeah.
then up here
down. The ballpark is between right in this
by
area.
the trees.
Yeah, right over the tree.
They already
You
set
getting
up.
that one?
Yes. It's a good one.
Ryan missed that one. Dang.
That is still downtown, right?
Yeah, that's
Not-
that's
All the
downtown.
way down there.
That's like going
yeah.
like
By
by the
the
federal
river.
building.
Yeah,
You know, yeah,
right, right.
yeah. In that area. That could be coming from the federal building, on top of the federal building, or the power, the telephone company down there too, in that area. Because if we go this way to the ballpark, that's going away from the ballpark, right?
It's coming closer. Just wait and see.
I'm telling you, every year they diminish the fireworks. I'm talking about Phoenix. 2 years ago, there used to be an hour of fireworks. I knew we were going to shoot off some fireworks somewhere down there.
Maybe that's the ballpark.
It looked like.
It looks like the ballpark.
The ballpark is a little, probably, like,
It's close enough.
think so?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it seems it's.
Could be ballpark.
It looks like the ballpark.
Isn't the ballpark lights?
The lights are closer.
Isn't the ballpark lights? Those 3 lights right there?
These are ballpark lights,
Okay, that's the ballpark.
but they're shooting it from the other side of the ballpark.